Education is the most powerful weapon which can be used to change the world. Realizing the importance of knowledge, innumerable interventions are being designed and implemented on a daily basis to improve the quality of education in the country. Recently, a report has been released on United District Information System for Education Plus 2019 to 2020 for school education in India. The report has displayed that India has recorded some of the breakthroughs in the field of school education. The Indian education system can be broadly classified into three main categories: elementary, secondary, and higher education, based on the age of students enrolled. Let's get to know more about the country's achievements in the education system. As per the report, the gross enrollment ratio and the pupil-teacher ratio at all levels of the school education has improved in 2019 to 2020 as compared to the previous year. Gross enrollment ratio is the total enrollment in a specific level of education regardless of age, whereas pupil-teacher ratio refers to the number of students for every teacher in a school. In 2019 to 2020, the gross enrollment ratio of girls has increased to 90.5% at the upper primary level, 98.7% at the elementary level, 77.8% at secondary level, and 52.4% at the higher secondary level. Also, during the same period, 96.87 lakh teachers had been engaged in the school education. This is higher by about 2.57 lakhs as compared to the year 2018 to 2019. Moreover, the enrollment of girls from primary to higher secondary is more than 12.08 crores, and there has been a substantial increase of 14.08 lakhs in the number of girl students admitted to schools. Further, between 2012 to 2013 and 2019 to 2020, the gender parity index at both secondary and higher secondary levels have also enhanced. Gender Parity Index, or GPI, is used to measure the relative access to education of males and females. Improvement of GPI has been the most pronounced at the high secondary level, which has gone up from 0.97 to 1.04. Not only this, but the remarkable improvements have also been recorded in the number of schools with functional electricity, functional computers, and high-speed internet facility. In the year 2019 to 2020, more than 80% of the schools in India had functional electricity. This is an improvement of more than 6% over the previous year. During the corona times, the school authorities have become more aware, due to which a large number of schools have registered significant improvement in terms of hand wash facility. In the year 2019 to 2020, more than 90% of the schools in India had hand wash facilities as compared to only 36.3% in 2012 to 2013. The education sector has seen a host of reforms and improved financial outlays in recent years that could transform the country into a knowledge haven. The Government of India has taken several steps, including the opening of IITs and IIMs in new locations, as well as allocating educational grants for research scholars in most government institutions. Furthermore, with the online mode of education being used by several educational organizations, the higher education sector in India is set for a major change and the development in the years to come. It is worth noting that besides focusing on educational reforms in the country, India also holds an important place in global education, as it has one of the largest networks of higher education institutions across the world. India has emerged as the single largest provider of the global talent, with 1 in 4 graduates in the world being a product of the Indian higher education system. Without the strategic accomplishments of Indians, the world would have been aloof to a lot of discoveries. We will be back with some more updates. Thanks for watching.